Good morning, America. How's everyone doing today? How is everyone doing today? Today is going to be an interesting day. We get the CPI data, and if we ever needed some good news, right now is the time because our economy is going down the freaking shitter. Nothing in our economy is safe. Not to be negative, not to be pessimistic, but everything is going down, baby. Real estate, crypto, stocks, and everything in between. So, yeah, 100%. Let's see what's going to happen with the CPI data. With that said, thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. If anybody has a question, please feel free to ask. Mr. Alexander Gonzalez, thank you so much. Hello, Ola. How you doing, my brother? Good to see you. Thank you so much for joining. How is everyone doing today? What is the deal? What is the deal? What do we feel like? What is going to happen with the CPI today, man? What's happening? Let's see. Let me sign into Wall Street Journal. Let's see what's going on with that. Hey, there you go. There goes everybody. Mr. Posak Aurora, good morning. How are you? Mr. XGN, good morning, Kings. What's up, baby? Rick, what's up, my man? Hey, Mejia loves APY. Good morning to you. Mr. Samuel, good morning to you, man. Good morning to you. I'm sorry that I had to postpone our video about hymns, but, you know, the whole crypto market literally freaking collapsed. So I had to cover it. Did you guys cover the elections? Does anybody cover the elections? Let's take a look at this. Allow. Yo, CWK, good morning. Good morning. How you doing, my brother? Good to see you. Okay, so the Senate, the House of Representatives actually lost one seat. Democrats won one seat. And for the House, the Democrats lost 10 seats and they gained and Republicans won 10 seats. And in terms of the governor races, it looks like the Democrats did good, except in a state like Florida. Florida shellacked everybody. Florida completely switched everything, including Dade County. Yeah, man. So we'll see what's going to happen. October inflation report to outline latest price trends. Good morning, Joker. What's up, my man? Good morning. Shout out to the Wolfpack. U.S. inflation report for October will show how consumer prices changed. The consumer price index rose 8.2% from a year earlier, down from an annual increase of 8.3 and 8.5, and is lower than June's 9.1. So-called core CPI rose to 6.6%. So the estimate is 7.9 today, guys. The estimate is 7.9. Guys, listen, I'm going to throw a number out there. I'm hoping for 7.5. We need some good news, man. We do need some good news. Everything is just bad. Everything is just bad, and we need some good news. So the consensus from Wall Street is 7.9%. 7.9%. That's consensus from Wall Street. Yo, it's so funny. I brush my teeth in the morning, and I always have like some residue on my beard, and it looks mad funny. Sometimes I'll be doing a video, and then I'll notice that I have like white outlines over here, and it looks like I was doing some very bad acts. But yeah, it's mad funny. Mr. Lee, good morning. How you doing? Thank you so much. Need some good news, bro. We need some absolutely good news. Can I also say something? I know some of you guys are here for the stock channel. Some of you guys are here for the real estate channel. I'm not trying to give nobody advice. This is my own personal view, but I wanted to say something. There's some misconception right now that's happening in cryptocurrency. That cryptocurrency completely took a shit. It's down 75% for the year or so because cryptocurrency, and some people are making fun that cryptocurrency is, it's okay because it's decentralized. Listen, cryptocurrency took a shit exactly for the reason why cryptocurrency was invented. It took a shit because it is now starting to become very centralized. So the underlying technology of cryptocurrency, where you're actually using it the right way, DeFi, through your phone, through your wallets, through Web3, that is strong. The fundamentals of cryptocurrency are super strong. It is a faster, cheaper, more environmentally friendly, and all in all scalable way of transferring funds. Okay. The problem is when you have these central exchanges and they take the age-old greed and they apply the greed to cryptocurrency. And that's what's happening right now. I just wanted to make that very, very clear. That's what's happening right now. It's not cryptocurrencies failing. It's the greed that infiltrated cryptocurrency. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Yes, I got it back. Shout out to YouTube teams. I got to make a video about that. They were able to get me back in 3 days, which is pretty cool. I got a lot more security parameters, which I'm not going to name right now because I don't want people to hack me. But I definitely got a lot more security parameters up right now. So, yeah, I'm happy. Shout out to them. Shout out to them. Da-da-da. Hey, good morning from Saudi Arabia, the real cause of inflation. I don't know if Saudi Arabia is the cause of inflation, guys. You know, Saudi Arabia produces oil. The truth of the matter is this. United States does not need any other country for their oil supply. That's a fact. The United States can easily supply over 21 million barrels. We use 20 million barrels peak, which means we don't need anybody. We don't need anybody. We have a political system that thinks. So let me ask you guys a question, okay? Let me ask you guys a question. If the United States refuses to produce 21 million barrels a day, and instead they're producing 19 million barrels a day, but they're buying 2 million barrels a day from another country, how does that make sense? The other country is still digging for the oil. The other country is still getting the oil. The other country is still producing carbon emissions. So how does this work? Right? It don't make sense to me. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. It is. It's on 4 channels. I have this on 4 of my channels. 4 of my channels. I got this flying. I got this on Adam Bergman Show. I got this on the Berg V2. I got this on Adam Bergman Real Estate Time. And I got this on Adam Bergman's Money Makers. I got it on 4 channels. By the way, tonight we are meeting. Palantards are meeting. We are meeting in the city. If anybody is in Manhattan, we are meeting tonight at 6 o'clock. Check my Twitter. I put out the tweet. Definitely check out. We're going to meet up in the city. It's going to be me, Chris Patel, Amit, Ether Squared. If you guys know these people from the Palantir community. And I think we're going to have a few dozen people. We're meeting up at the bar. I'm doing pretty good. Thank you so much. Dummy Edits. Is that your YouTube channel, Dummy Edits? Are you an editor? Let me see your channel. 1 second. Dummy Edits. Yeah, you see, this is on. I have this on a few of my channels just to show you guys. I have it on one channel. This is another channel right here. I got it on a few channels. You see this, my Adam Bergman Show, I only have 36 people watching, but in my chat, I have 50. So I have a few other people. Annie, let's say to Dummy Edits. Dummy Edits _XD. Are you an editor? I'm just curious if you're an editor. Can't wait till Algorand goes back to normal prices. Come on, Algorand. Yeah, man, I hear you on that one. I hear you on that one. Algorand took a shit. But hear me out over here, right? Like, hear me out on crypto really fast. So Solana is shit. Solana was always shit. Avalanche, shit. Avalanche was always shit. Solana more shit than Avalanche. Now that Sam Bankman-Fried is not going to be supporting them, what's propping them up? Nothing. I don't see Solana ever coming back from this. They're dead. Where are people going to go? Solana's down, Avalanche is down. You have two choices that are the best, and then you have two secondary choices. Obviously, the secondary choices is going to be Polygon, Cardano, obviously Ethereum, right? But those are pretty much your choices. Mostly Cardano and Polygon right now, I'll say. And then after that, you have Binance and Ethereum. But Binance and Ethereum is going to do two separate things. Those are built for something else. Anyways, so you have Binance, you have Ethereum. On top of that, you have Polygon and you have Cardano. And who's on top of that? Who's the two DLTs right now that are reigning supreme? You obviously have Hedera and you obviously have Algorand. Who else compares? Now, I'm not going to be naive and say they're the only two. I'm sure there's others, but I don't know them. Who else has the transactions per second? Who else has the ESG? Who else has the practically free gas fees? Who else has the scalability? Who else has a community behind them? And who else has smart contract capabilities? A lot of people talk about Stellar. A lot of people talk about Ripple. Okay, they're good transactionary chains, but they're not good for smart contracts. They don't have a developing ecosystem. So why would somebody use Stellar and Ripple? It don't make sense to me. Hedera and Algorand do everything that Stellar and Ripple does, but better and faster, I think cheaper, and more transactions per second. Just saying. Good morning. Good morning. Shout out to Puerto Rico, Gustavo. Shout out to you. Super Adam, what's with your... Yes, I have... Let me just clarify my channels really fast. I have Adam Bergman's Money Makers. That's stocks. That's very self-explanatory. Everybody knows. Then I have Adam Bergman's Real Estate Time, where I talk about real estate, but I stopped talking about real estate, and I'll tell you why. As prices are going down, interest rates are going up, and I have a very hard time being honest with people and telling them, hey, even though prices of real estate is going down, you still cannot afford it. So I stopped making videos for now. Then I have my main channel, Adam Bergman's Money Makers, which is crypto. I'm going to focus on this channel, Adam Bergman's Money Makers, Algorand and Hedera. I'm going to just focus on those two. The Berg V2, I'm going to focus on all other crypto. Crypto News, VeChain, Polkadot, Cosmos, BNB, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Avalanche, Dogecoin, SHIB, whatever. How-to videos. So the Berg V2 is going to be everything, not Algorand, everything, not Hedera. And Adam Bergman's Money Makers is going to be Algorand and Hedera. Okay? Good morning. Good morning. How are you? By the way, shout out to Algorand Casino, guys. Give them a follow. Give them a look. I'm sorry my logo was small. I don't know how to make it bigger on this. They're on the top right hand on my screen. Algorand Casino, premier entertainment and gaming destination of the Algorand blockchain. I have a full how-to video. It's a quick 2-minute video. Algorand Casino is not a gambling site. Algorand Casino is an entertainment and gaming site. They produce free 10 chips airdrops every single day through a faucet. They also have staking. They have a liquidity pool providing rewards. It's a fantastic place to just have some fun and blow off some steam. To be honest, I'd be making my videos and then I play a lot of blackjack while I'm making videos in between because it just kills a lot of my time. I don't know anything about the Tron offering to buy FTX. I didn't see anything about that. I don't see Tron having money. I think this is bullshit. I don't know who has money to buy out FTX, and I don't know who's going to want to buy FTX. I heard a rumor, besides for Binance that doesn't want to buy them, I heard a rumor that Coinbase declined to buy them because their financials are shit. So, yeah, there's a very, very big problem. Nobody's really, really going to buy them. What does effect on crypto? I don't know what the question is. Be more specific. I'm not trying to troll you. Be more specific. What do you mean, what effect on crypto? What specifically? It doesn't make sense. Listen to me, guys. You guys don't understand. The United States, Russia, Saudi Arabia are the three countries that produce the most oil. But what most people don't know is during the Obama administration, the United States produced more oil than those two countries. Right now, it's always United States, Saudi Arabia, and Russia. United States, at the very least, has the capabilities of producing 21 million barrels of oil a day. United States consumes approximately 20 million barrels of oil a day. United States produces right now 19 million barrels of oil a day. Why are we sending our oil abroad? Abroad. And why are we begging other countries to give us oil? Why? Why is the United States begging, literally on our knees, sucking it, begging for oil? Shout out to all the countries that have oils and are producing. Shout out to them. Nothing with them. But why is the United States that has the capabilities of making this oil not? This fallacy of ESG, environmental, social, and government. It's bullshit. We're trying to become green, and that's good. But let me ask you guys a question. If we're not producing the 2 million extra barrels and we're asking somebody else to produce 2 million extra barrels, doesn't that same environmental downfall happen? If we're not making it, but somebody is, it's the same shit. If I'm not robbing somebody, but I pay somebody to rob somebody, is the person not getting robbed? Yes. It's just that I'm not doing that. So if we're not the ones robbing the environment, but we're paying somebody to rob the environment, isn't the environment still being robbed? It makes no sense. And that's why our country is becoming super freaking weak. Cool. I resub to Adam Bergman Show. Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, resub to Adam Bergman Show. It's going to be Hadara. It's going to be Algorand. And, of course, finance. Berg V2 is going to be everything else crypto. Everything else crypto. Damn, you got to have I do have a live stream. I do. The Patreon live stream. Guys, Patreon live stream, $5 to join. We have a live stream every single Wednesday. Every Wednesday, 8 o'clock, we have a live stream. And the live stream is through video. We actually talk. It's not like this. The live stream is through video. We talk about our investments. We vent about the world. Like yesterday, we were talking about the recession, the prices of food in your locations. Do you think that employment is going down in your particular fields? And we do a live for about an hour to hour and a half every single Wednesday. Besides for that, the Patreon, we have a Telegram group. It's pretty freaking active. It's called the Wolf Pack. Also, I probably am going to be making a demo on how to make a token. I'm going to be making a demo on how to make a full line of NFTs. I'm learning how to do Photoshop right now. When I make that line, I'm going to be gifting NFTs and tokens for free to my Patreons. So, yeah, just to let you guys know. Yeah. CPI data is going to, how does CPI affect crypto? Okay, very, very good. Crypto right now is acting as a sub-asset of the NASDAQ of the tech sector. So as CPI data goes up, in general, as CPI goes up, that means that the inflation is up. As inflation is up, the Federal Reserve needs to do something and do countermeasures. How do they do countermeasures? They have two choices. They can affect the rates. When they increase the rates, they lower the rates, or they keep it neutral. In general, increasing the rates is what they want to bring down inflation. Why? As you increase the rates, it becomes more expensive to borrow money. As it becomes more expensive to borrow money, people invest less, including huge mega cap corporations. They invest less into their corporations for expansion, market research, research and development, marketing, so on and so forth. As you're spending less to expand, you start contracting. And this is what currently is happening. They are trying to demolish our economy, rightfully so, to control inflation. How do you do that? You fire people. So Twitter lays off 3,500 employees. Facebook lays off 11,000 employees. Tesla lays off employees. Microsoft, Google, Amazon, all crypto companies, Coinbase, Gemini, Robinhood. All these huge mega cap corporations are firing people. Why? Interest rates are going up. So that's how CPI data affects our economy. Now, how does that affect crypto specifically? The same way it would affect stocks. People have less money and therefore they're investing less. If you have cheap money, you spend it. The reason why the entire economy went through the freaking roof why we had record everything is because of all the free money. What do I mean? Number one, stimulus checks. Number two, PPP loans. Number three, EIDL loans. Number four, unemployment plus bonus unemployment. A lot of people were not working because they were making so much money through unemployment, or making unemployment and working for cash at the same time. Because there was an influx of money, boop, prices went through the roof. And what's happening right now is corporations are not planning to lower prices because they don't have to. Right now, the supply chains, the constraints for supply chains, in actuality, cannot be as bad. Let me rephrase this. The supply chains right now, today, cannot be as bad as they were during COVID. It is not physically possible. However, prices are still where they were during COVID, which means corporations are charging a shit ton of money in order to compensate for the money that they lost during COVID. And right now, we need the economy to slow down. How do you make the economy slow down? Well, you got to raise interest rates. I hope that explained it. Is FTT a good price? I don't know, man. That's up to you. Do what you need to do. I don't really have a comment for that. I don't have a comment for that. What time is CPI? Good morning, Meg. CPI is at 8:30. 8:30. Sell your soul. Yeah, sell your soul. Guys, if you have money on FTX US, you might want to take it out. People are laughing at me. Nobody's listening. They're like, you're over-exaggerating. Bro, when Celsius happened, I used to tell people about Celsius. Nobody believed me. When FTX was happening, I was telling people about FTX. Nobody believed me. Now I'm telling people about FTX US, and people don't believe me. Guess what's about to happen? Open contest. Open contest with who? Who's going to be the open contest? And how am I not going to pay for that? If I have an open contest, I have to pay people, right? Nobody's going to be working for free. Top your bags while you can. Yeah, man. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. Guys, ISO stands for ISO 222 compatibility, and that's just a money language, finance language that's going to be used by SWIFT. And there's a couple of cryptocurrencies that are built on that, and there's a couple of cryptocurrencies that allows you to be ISO 222 compatible when you build on top of them. Such currencies as Ripple, Stellar, Hedera, Algorand, and there's two more if I'm not mistaken. I don't remember what they are off the top of my head. I'm glad you teach common sense to those that believe that we are saving the planet by not drilling in the U.S. plant and getting oil from kind of. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. Guys, I'm not against ESG. I'm not against the environment. I'm not. I am for that. However, it makes no sense if we are just going to ask other countries to dig for our oil themselves. Why are we doing that if we can dig for it ourselves? It makes no sense. It's still the same environmental outcome. Let me just pull up the CPI data, guys. 1 second. Algorand's dope. The market is red. Not by the polls, bro. Not by the polls. Pushaisty, what's up, my brother? I don't know much about them. Right now, I don't really like anything. The market is so scary. And honestly, if I had cash on the side right now, I wouldn't be buying anything. One of the smartest things I could have done was sell like out of half my shit, my non-conviction plays. So yeah. I don't know much about that. When are you meeting in tonight, 6 o'clock. Are you gonna come up? I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna give you the tweet. 1 second. I'll show you what it is. 1 second. Let me pull it up. Give me 1 second, guys. This is the address. By the way, guys, if you're not signed up to my Twitter, this is my Twitter. Sign up. It's at Adam Bergman Show. Check it out at Adam Bergman Show. Yeah, if you guys have not yet. And this is going to be the meetup right here. So it's going to be tonight at 6 o'clock. The place is called Recession Bach Hall, 5 West 37th Street. 5 West 37th Street. Here, 5 West 37th Street. Okay? So, yeah. Huge Palantir investor. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Did you buy any algo? I did not buy any algo at 25 cents. I already have a lot of Algorand, and I don't have funds to buy right now. I'm saving up all my money. However, I didn't sell anything either. I did. Good for you, brother. 7 p.m. CPI data. 7 p.m. So, Amit, I don't know what IST means, but that doesn't count. Let me tell you guys, unless it's Eastern Standard Time, EST, it doesn't count. Everything else is fake. There's no such thing as IST. There's no such thing as Middle America. There's no such thing as Asia or Europe or Antarctica. Doesn't make no difference. There's only one time frame, EST. And if you're not using EST, you're just wrong. So I don't recognize IST. That's fake. As well as some XRP and yes, XRP and XDC. Thank you very much. Thank you for that. Nice. 8:30, guys. 8:30. Sol have a huge community. So what? Sol is whack. Sol was always whack. The only person that mattered in the Sol community was Sam Bankman-Fried. Now that Sam Bankman-Fried no longer is going to be owning 10% of Sol, you guys are effed. Effed. The only reason people didn't care that Sol went down lights out more than a Mike Tyson opponent at his prime is because Sol had the support of FTX. Well, unfortunately, you guys are effed. Over leverage will not. No, bro, the over leveraging, the margins, this is what killed crypto. Killed. Maybe CZ would have helped if he would have braided his hair and asked nicely. Nah, I think CZ was probably behind this whole thing. It's just an interesting coincidence of how things fell. Saudi Arabia, the scapegoat for the U.S. politicians. Yeah, they blame everything on the war. They blame everything on Saudi Arabia. They blame everybody but what's happening. And the problem is people support them. And people are okay with that, you know? You know, I try not to be political in my comments. Everybody knows the way I'm swayed, but I try not to be political. Anytime I say anything, people curse me in my comments. They're like, no, blah, 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 F Republicans. I didn't even say nothing. All I said is that we can dig for oil in America. Why are we paying somebody to dig for the oil if it's still being dug? So it's, everybody uses everybody as a scapegoat. Yeah, 18 minutes. Oh, Crypto Head, what's up, my man? Good to see you. Thank you so much. And thank you always for being so generous. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. 10x leverage is good and better. 10x leverage is good. No. 10x leverage is not good. It's not better. Leverage sucks. CPI data release, 18 minutes. Good morning, Brenda. How you doing? 8:30. Guys, 8:30. The report is 8:30. There's no such thing as Indiana. There's no such thing as Indiana time. There's only Eastern Standard Time. That's it. Your time does not exist. Your time is secondary to EST. There is no such thing as time outside of EST. No such thing, bro. You live in a freaking fantasy. There is no such thing. You're living in the metaverse right now. There is no such thing as UTC. That is not recognized. EST is the only time there is. Yes, I actually own a little bit of SoFi. I bought it when Amit bought into it. I don't know too much about it. I know that it's like a payment platform. I do listen to a couple of the podcasts that he's in with the other guys. So yeah, bro, I don't know what that means. Did you buy? Yeah, I own H bar. I own H bar. I show you guys that I own H bar. I do own H bar. No, it's not. 17 more minutes. Nope, there's not support for crypto at all. If the CPI data is going to come out bad, then there might be a really big problem and everything might go to shit right now. So hopefully the CPI data is going to come in lower than expected. We really, really need that. We really need that as an economy. There's nothing holding us up. So we need some good news. On top of that, we can probably dig cleaner. So not only is it a minimum 100%. So the digging, the way it works, and I'm not the biggest expert, but think about it. America started digging for oil a little bit later than all these other countries. And by a little bit, I mean a lot, which means that America uses newer technology while these other countries are using newer and older technology. Because you have newer technology, you dig cleaner. Now, again, I'm not an expert, but I would assume that we can do a better job on it, especially if some of the red tape is gone and you concentrate on staying it more clean, I guess. Like, I feel like the red tape that we have can be, how do I say this properly? I feel like most of the red tape that we have is a red tape just to say no, instead of, hey, let's just be cleaner. Let's upgrade our plants. What can we do to make this greener? As opposed to no. No idea. Good morning, Brian. Hi, Adam. I'm the only one. Hi, Adam. Am I the only one? I think you are. I think you are. CPI come out when? CPI come out 15 minutes. I'm curious as to what your thoughts are on Cadena. I don't know much about it. I know that Ryan pumps it a lot. When you go on their website, it says that they're located in Brooklyn. I don't know how true that is. I don't know if I got the right website. I contacted them. Nobody ever got back to me. I live in Brooklyn. I wanted to do an interview in person. I could be completely wrong, but that's what I got. Like, their location says that it's in Brooklyn. After that, that's it. Oh, I'm out of zinc. Wow, that sucks. Okay, let's see if I could fix this. What about now? Can you guys hear me now okay? Am I okay right now or no? What about right now? Is this better or no? That's crazy. I don't know why I'm delayed. It's out of zinc. What about now? Is it better? Same. Okay, let me try to do this. Do I have a microphone? I don't have another microphone, and I don't know why all of a sudden it's out of zinc. Still delayed. No, delayed. Hold on, I'm looking for a mic. All right, hold on, I found something. 1 second. Settings, audio. Testing. Is this better or no? Is this better? Can you guys hear me okay now or no? Is this better? Ba-da-da-dum, pum, pum, pum. Is this better? Is this better? Da-da-da-dum, pum, 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 pum. I hope it's better. Why nobody tell? No delayed. I can't tell you guys. I have no idea what to tell you. If I leave the stream and come back, I need to restart the stream. If I do that, I have an idea. 1 second. I do have an idea. One moment. Give me 1 second. I'm doing something. I'm going to redo the stream. Give me 1 second. I'm just going to get I'm re-signing in. Give me one moment. Da-da-da-dum, pum, 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 pum. What about now? Can you guys hear me now? You guys hear me okay? What about now? Is this better? Perfect. Good. Thank you so much. Let me see if I can get rid of this stupid shit now. Let me see this. Audio settings. Audio. Boom. All right. This is okay? We good now? Is this okay? Good. Yeah, I want to give a shout out to Echoes. I want to give a shout out to Echoes from Above. The guy has a really good channel. And he covers a lot of news. He covers a lot of stuff. Shout out to Echoes from Above. You might not always agree with what this guy is going to say, but he has a really good channel. I like his channel. I'll be honest with you. I like his channel. Sometimes he makes me think, and that's a good thing. When you're thinking, it's a very good thing. Yeah, that's it. The guy has a really, really good channel. I can't say that I agree with everything he says, but I agree with a lot of things, or some things. And yeah, Echoes, I really, really like the coverage that you're doing about entertainment and things like that, like general stuff in the world. I think you're doing a really good job. So, and I know you asked the question, do you guys like the new format? Yeah, it's a pretty cool new format. Shout out. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I'm sorry for the sound. As I said, the more security you have on your computer, from hackers, the worse performance you get, if that makes sense. So everything takes longer. Everything is delayed. It sucks. The amount of security you got to put into your computer not to get hacked, because I'm petrified to get hacked again, sucks. USDT depegging is normal. No, that is not normal, and it should not happen. I didn't check the last thing of the price of it. Let me check. Let me see. CoinMarketCap. Guys, 7 minutes is going to come out. Give me a second. I'm checking USDT. As far as I saw, USDT was essentially staying stable. Coin market cap. So it is slightly depegging. It is slightly depegging right now. Let me share my screen. It is depegging right now. It should be right here. Right now it's here. It looks like it repegged. We'll see what's going to happen. Guys, if USDT depegs, we are effed. It's just crazy. Yeah, man. I'll explain it to you right now. So what happened is I got so if anybody that doesn't know, I got hacked. I have 4 channels. My main channel, Adam Bergman's Adam Bergman Show, is a crypto channel. I got contacted from a hacker, and they made an elaborate scheme. They contacted me through NordVPN for a promotion. And they said, hey, do you want to promote our NordVPN? And they sent me material. So I've done promotions for VPN before. I've worked with Atlas VPN. I've worked with other companies. And the funniest thing is when it comes to crypto, I have video calls with crypto. That's the funniest thing. Echoes. When I do anything for crypto, I do a video call because I want to talk to the person. I want to make sure as best as possible that they're not a scheme. I want to make sure, their roadmap. And I try to talk to them, right? And try to see what's going on. But like a legitimate company, I don't know why, but I didn't. And it's so stupid. So they send you a package. That package is a video. That package is a logo. And that package is a terms and conditions, which makes sense. This is all normal. And they also send you a contract. When you download the contract, they give you a code. When you download that contract, you need to open it. When you open it, you put the code in. That's the virus. They bypassed all of my security. A lot of people think that I didn't have 2-factor security. I had 2-factor security. I love when people tell me that. Adam, you have no 2-factor security. Blah, 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 blah. I had 2-factor security. I had it. It bypassed it instantly. They changed my password. They changed my phone number. They changed the recovery email. And then what they ended up doing is they ended up making the recovery into a USB drive. So the recovery is no longer my email. It was a USB drive. I don't have the USB drive. The USB drive is being sent to a fake me somewhere. Because I don't have it, I couldn't recover my email. When they have your email, they log into your channel. When they log into your channel, if you have 10,000 subscribers or more, they can do a fundraiser. When you do a fundraiser, YouTube does not check what you write. There's 3 categories of fundraisers. You can get fundraised by donations, you can get fundraised by personal, and you can get fundraised by commercial. They don't check the commercial or personal. So I could say I raised $5 million and no one's going to check it. The only thing that you could see is if anybody's donating from your channel. So they do a fundraiser. They changed my channel name to Twitter Live. I had a little logo that looked like Twitter Live. That was my channel. And they put a rerun of Jack Dorsey speaking to Michael Saylor of Michael Strategy. And on the bottom, they said, although I stopped being CEO of Twitter, I am still a social warrior, and I'm here to bring awareness, some shit like that. And then people started donating. Echoes, because of that, I lost 500 subscribers, and my channels, my videos used to get like 1.5 thousand to like 3,000 views, sometimes 4 or 5, but right between 1.5 to 3,000. Now I'm making videos and I'm getting a couple of hundred. So the algorithm doesn't know what the F to do with me, because now the algorithm thinks I'm a schemer, or I'm a live guy, or I'm a fundraiser guy. All in 3 days. Now, shout out to YouTube teams. This happened on the 2nd of November, like almost the 3rd, like at 11 o'clock at night. And they gave me my channel back, I believe, on Monday. At the same time, guys, when life, and bro, you got to understand, this is my full-time job. Echoes, I left a 7-figure business to do YouTube to be with my son. My son was born, God bless him, 13 months old. I want to wake up in the morning when I get my coffee, and I want to see my son tell me, Papa, Papa, Papa. And bro, they took my life away, my fucking life. Mad hard. I worked so hard to get my channel up. I try to do the right thing as much as possible. I'm not perfect, but I try to do the right thing. Bro, and I finally got my channel back, and now I'm trying to build it. But when life smacks you in the face, you have 2 options. You can either sulk, cry, bitch, and look for condolences, Or I just started another channel, the Berg V2, and I'm going with that channel as well. Don't let life fuck you up. When life smacks you in the face, you got to bob and you got to weave. Throw a few jabs, come in with a hook, and just keep it moving. Don't sulk for yourself. Anyways, let's look at the CPI data. CPI data. Share the screen. Guys, this CPI data is going to come out in a minute. Let's see what's going to happen, man. Hey, Michelle, I haven't seen you in a while. Good to see you. But the algorithm is not as smart as Echo's. All right, let's go. Let's see. I'm not buying shit right now. I'm not buying anything right now. Oh man. Let's see. All right, let's see. Guys, and the PPI report is coming out on the 15th. I think that's what, Monday? I'll be doing that live as well. Guys, check out my other channels as well. Hey, Marcel, what's up, my brother? Good to see you. Ah, there we go. 7.7. We beat, guys. 7.7. 7.7 instead of 7.9. We beat. We beat. This was very much needed. A beat was needed, guys. A little bit of a beat, some life. The consumer price index for all urban consumers rose 0.4% in October on a seasonally adjusted basis. The number increased as in September, the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reported today. Over the last 12 months, and all items increased 7.7%. The index for shelter contributed over half of the monthly all items increases, with the indexes for gasoline and food also increasing. The energy index increased 1.8% over the month as the food and gasoline index and electricity index rose, but the natural gas index decreased. Very good. The food index increased 0.6% over the month, with the food at home index rising 0.4%. The index minus food and energy rose 0.3% in October after rising 0.6% in September. This is good news, much needed good news. Thank you for the love of God. This seems like it's good news. Let me point out a few things really, really fast before we go any further. Where is this one right here? Right here, the index. Where was this half index? I can't find it right here, but they were talking about real estate, right? Real estate contributed to half of the CPI. That's good. I'll tell you why. Real estate prices are coming down. Rents will come down. This is something that can be controlled, supply and demand. Something like gas and energy cannot, or not as easy. All right, guys, these are the numbers. 7.7%, guys, 7.7%. This is not terrible. Food at home, 10.9%. It went 0.6. But you see what I'm saying? Like food is going down. That's good. Food is going down. What went up? Food, fuel. Boo! Bro, what the hell is this? 19.8. Fuel oil, 19.8. Wow. Do you see this? That is crazy. That is crazy. Gasoline, 4. Energy commodities, 4.4. Food, I don't want to see food. I want to see I want to see, let's see food. 1 second. I really want to see real estate. 1 second. Where's the real estate? 19.8 bid, 19 freaking point 8. 19.8. The food index increased 0.6% in October, following 0.8% in September. That's good. The food index rose 0.4 into the smallest monthly increase in this index since December 21st, bro. Like, seriously, I'm about to mother effing cry. I'm happy that this seems, on the surface, this seems like this is good. It seems like it is good on the surface. The index for other food at home increased 0.9% in October after rising 0.5% in September. So food at home keeps going up. You know why food at home keeps going up, right? Because food outside of home was going up. People stopped going out to eat, so they start eating at home. When they start spending money for food at home, the price of food at home goes up too, you know? Interesting. Energy, guys. The energy index increased 1.8% in October after falling in preceding 3 months. The gasoline index rose 4% over the month. Thank you so much, Mr. President Biden. After I depleted our strategic petroleum reserves, I decided, hey, midterms are done. Let me suck some D. And I'm done. I'm done. So there you go, guys. There you go. This number is going to go up more. The next CPI, this number is going to go up, bro. You know? All right. Also following before seasonal adjustment, gasoline prices rose 3.1% in October. The electricity index also increased over the last month, rising to 1.1%. However, the index for natural gas decreased October, falling 4.6%. That's good. That is good. The energy index rose 17.6% the past 12 months. The gasoline index increased 17.5% over the same span. The core CPI is 0.3%. It was 0.6%. And before that, it was 0.8%. This is good. This is good. How is the markets taking this? How's the markets, guys? How's the markets right now? These are the charts. Okay. It's crazy, bro. That's so crazy. So I'm not going to lie. I am happy this is happening. 9.1, 8.5, 8.3, 8.2, 7.7. Okay. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm getting a little bit excited, but damn, bro, we really, really, really needed this. Like, I'm not even going to lie to you. We really, really, really needed this. Let's see what's happening right now. Let's go to CoinMarketCap. Boom. Algorand is going back up. How about is Algorand? Let's check how much is Algorand. Algorand 6%. All right. All right. Let's go. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right. That's good. I'm happy about that. I am happy. It's like I love how the people that like hate Joe Biden I mean, it's like that. Let's go. Mr. Doom Charlotte, how you doing, brother? Ask the question again. I'm sorry. You got to understand, I got 125 people in here. I go through a million comments, and I'm reading the screen. It's not that I'm trying to avoid you specifically, Blake. I appreciate you. Thank you very, very much. Also, if I do miss your comment, just ask it again. I'll read it. Or donate $1. It comes up to the top, and I'll read it. But ask your question. I'll be happy to answer it. It's not like I'm doing it on purpose. I'm live. I'm interactive. I'm reading the screen. I'm pulling things up. Sometimes I miss comments, so I apologize. But please ask again, and I'll be happy to answer it. Let me see. What did you say before? Why are you yelling into the mic? Because I'm excited, my friend. I'm excited. I have a lot of money invested in the markets, in crypto, stock market, real estate market. I'm excited. That's it. I'm excited because I'm excited that the market's starting to come back. You know what I mean? Is that like a serious question? I'm shouting because I'm excited. And if you don't like it, you should definitely check out another channel. If you want somebody boring, if you want somebody dull, if you want somebody dry, if you want somebody without enthusiasm, there's a lot of better channels, but I'm not that channel. I am me. I am Adam Bergman, and I will be myself when I do my lives. That's why I'm shouting. Because this is the same way I would talk to you in a bar, just talking to people. Is the stock market mooning? I heard it is. Let's go. Let's go. Doom Shalat. What's up, brother? Before you kill the stream, please promote us mods as that got disabled in there. Oh, wow. Hold on. Let me get you in. How do I do this? 1 second. Bear, what channel are you? Where are you watching me? On what channel? The Adam Bergman Show? Then again, I guess yeah, man, I try to answer as much as possible. I don't mean it. Like, I don't mean to miss a comment. I think I answer the most comments out of all streamers. I literally go one by one. You know what I mean? Like, sometimes, though, I'm reading the screen. It sucks. Leave my guy alone. I'm relieved as shit. Yeah, bro. I'm happy. I'm happy, bro. Like, we are getting punched in the fucking face. We are getting punched in the face all day long. Bomb, 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 bomb. You know what I mean? Like, there's only so much of this you could do. Eventually, you're going to be like, so it's nice that we can go back on the offensive. It's nice that we can attack back a little bit. You know what I mean? You missed the numbers, but the numbers we beat 7.7 instead of 7.9. 7.7 instead of 7.9. Let's check what else we have. Let me see this. 1 second. Okay, let's share the screen. Consumer price index 7.7. You see, look, this is good, guys. You see what I'm saying? You see? This is good. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. So I don't really know what to say. I'm really, really happy with this. Am I happy like, yo, inflation's gone? No, but I am happy that we're getting some type of relief, including core. So our core is also going down. That's very, very good. Very, very good. So now I see the next, and if you look at the CME, I guarantee you, watch this, CME. I guarantee you that the increased chance of 50 basis points just went up instead of 75. Boom. Did I not just say that? So guys, if you don't know what this is the CME Fed Watch. The CME Fed Watch is the chances of a 50 basis points or 75 basis points or 100 basis points rate hike. So right now, the chances of a 50 basis points rate hike is 80%. It's possible if we're going to do a 50 basis points rate hike this time, it's possible unemployment's going to start going down. But unemployment's going to go up because there's a lot of layoffs, which means that the Fed might stop being as aggressive. They're not going to pivot, but they're going to be not as aggressive, which is a very, very good thing. What do you think about Biden confiscating that Bitcoin? I think they are also purchasing it on the side. I don't know, man. Yo, I appreciate that, bro. Thank you very much. I am me, bro. I am me. Like, this is exactly how I would be talking to people on the street. If you guys are coming out tonight to the city for the meetup, this is how I talk. Straight up. Thank you for the support. Bro, market intention is good or bad? It's good. Adam is the best. Thank you. Get him, Adam. Nah, I respect him. I know him. I just don't like questions like that. Like, why are you screaming on the mic? It don't make sense. There's so many boring ass YouTubers. So many boring ass. You know what? That's the thing. Like, a lot of YouTubers are full of shit. A lot of YouTubers are full of shit. So let me tell you something. This guy Echoes from Above, he has a YouTube channel. Him and a couple of other people, they call out YouTubers. I don't agree with him with certain YouTubers that he calls out. I don't agree with all of them. But some of the people that he calls out, I get it. And I don't disagree. I actually agree with some of them. And the reason why is a lot of people are doing fake shit when it comes to YouTube. A lot of these people never made money in real life. A lot of people are talking about finance in general, don't know shit. And a lot of them are fake. They put on fake personas, a fake persona for YouTube. And at the end of the day, that doesn't work. Yes, sir. Thanks, bro. My pleasure. Yes. Thank you very much, Elaine. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Elaine. Yeah, Miss Nelson. Thank you so much, Miss Nelson. I appreciate you. Haha, we're mass holes. Mass holes are loud. Shout out, my brother. Shout out. Shout out. Adam Bergman show. I'll make you a mod. I'll make you a mod. Let's keep looking at the CPI data, man. Let's keep looking at the CPI data. And this is the numbers. So let's see what went down, guys. Let's see what went down the most, yeah? Let's see what went down the most. So what went down the most was utility gas services, 4.6%. Used cars, 2.4%. Used cars, 2.4%. So that's where the come down went, 4.6%. So we have two reasons why inflation went down. Number one is actually a reduction in inflation, and number two is a smaller increase in inflation, right? There's two ways. Make sure that the increase this month was less than it was a year ago. So this month takes the place of last year, and reduce the inflation of certain things. I hope not on the side. It is now a bull market. I don't know about that, but we definitely needed this shit, yo. Can't wait for January. Yes, sir. Today we might see like 5% on the S&P. I hope so. You know, JP Morgan Chase said if we miss, then we're going to get a decrease in 5%. We'll see what's going to happen. Let me check out what's happening right now. Hold on. Let me pull it up on my phone because I am bad with computers things. Bro, the TQQQ is up 12% pre-market. NASDAQ up 3.44% pre-market. Dow Jones is up 2.42% pre-market. S&P is up 2.8% pre-market. Palantir is up 4.8% pre-market. Let's see Bitcoin. Crypto market is finally up. Bitcoin, 17,300. Algorand is at 31 cents. I'll take it. I'll take it. We needed this, guys. We needed this so badly. Awesome. Everything is turning green. Yes, yes, ma'am. Shout out to the rooftops. Any positive we can get, I'll take it, bro, for sure. For sure. We're getting shellacked. Shellacked. Now we're doing the shellacking. Nobody shall shellack us no more. No more shellacking for us. We are now the shellackers, not the shellacked. Saraba. That's my girl right there. That's my girl. Good for you. She knows what I'm clapping for. Good for you. I'm proud of you. I see your tweets. I see your DMs. I might not respond, but I see them. I'm proud of you. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm proud of you. Let's go. Let's go. ABS want to hack the rest. Got it. When the media was pumping nonstop FUD yesterday, I knew the report was going to come in lower. I hope so. Thank you for the great news, Adam. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yes, good. Yes. Yo, Doom, are you in New York? No, right? You're not coming for the meetup. I would love to meet this guy. He's the man. Gonna buy me algo before it goes back to 43 cents. Bro, let's go. If somehow somebody's going to bail out Sam Bankman-Fried or FTX, the entire crypto market is not going to collapse. And very important, Solana is done. Avalanche is done. There's only a few cryptocurrencies that could take their place. Algorand and Hedera are the ones. Yeah, it's going to be 0.5. What do you think about XRP? I think XRP is good. I don't have anything bad to say. My issue with Ripple is people think it's the second coming of Jesus Christ, right? And I apologize if I offend somebody. I think I said the term correct, right? It's the second coming of God. Ripple is a good payment processing trans-border. That's it, right? Cross-border transactions. What's so special about Ripple? The thing is, Ripple's market cap is already 10 times the market cap of Algorand, 10 times the market cap of Hedera. But can I ask you a question? What does Ripple do better than Hedera and Algorand? Nothing. It's not more energy efficient. It's not better on gas fees. It's not faster. It doesn't handle more transactions per second, right? All these things are arguable. They all have approximately the same ESG. They all have approximately the same transactions per second. They have all approximately the same gas fees, right? Yes, one has more than the other, but let's say they're approximately even or as much as they need right now. The thing is with Ripple, it does not have a bussing environment. It doesn't have a DeFi ecosystem. As far as I understand, their smart contracts are non-existent or extremely lacking. And for that reason, you're fired. Yo, I have to. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for the support. I appreciate you guys. I really, from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much, guys. Can't make the meetup, live super far away. Love the energy. Thank you so much. Guys, if you're here from my Adam Bergman show and you want to learn about crypto, I'm sorry. I have 4 channels, guys. You guys might want to subscribe to my other channels. I have a real estate channel that's not really active right now. I have my stock channel, which is Adam Bergman's Money Makers, where I'm concentrating on Palantir right now to build it up. But I am going to be talking about other stuff. Just nobody watches other content. I do talk about other stuff. I used to. So it's Palantir focused right now. And then I have 2 crypto channels. The Adam Bergman show is going to be a Algorand and Hedera channel right now. And finance, of course, like this. Berg V2 is going to be everything else crypto. Everything else. Solana, Avalanche, Polkadot, Cosmos, Quant, VeChain, Chainlink, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB. Everything crypto, not Algorand and not Hedera, the Berg V2. Everything crypto, Algorand and Hedera, Adam Bergman show. Hate fake personas. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Samsonite, I was way off. I like your picture. What is that a mask of? I like it. I think natural gas, right? Yeah, natural gas. Yeah. I was worried about it too, bro. Like, it's very, very scary. Bull trap. Maybe it is a bull trap, but I'll take it right now. Listen to me. We needed some good news. If this came bad, it would have tanked. Listen, the market is looking. They're begging. The begging. Crypto, real estate, and stocks are begging on our knees. I'm going to take you there in the midnight hour. So we're begging for some good news. And this was good news. Come on. Let's go. Palantir is growing. We need a huge bull run. We do need a huge bull run. How do you feel about Tether losing its peg? So I was just watching Tether earlier today. It lost the peg for a moment and it came back. But you know what else lost the peg for a while? Tron stablecoin. So I'm not worried about Tether yet. I'm not saying it won't. I'm not saying it will. I'm saying right now, I'm not worried about Tether because I'm looking at it as 0.9998. 0.9998. Now it's 0.9997 is okay. That's okay. As long as it doesn't go, now it's 0.9998. Now it's 0.9998. So that's okay. That's an okay fluctuation. If it's going to go to 0.99, 0.98, I'll be very worried. But as long as it's 0.99, 0.98, 0.988, very close to that, I'm okay. Like right now, it's 0.99999. So can I buy some BTC? You can buy BTC at any point in time, bro. America is still a free country. You can do what you can do. And if you're not in America and you live in a country that doesn't allow you to buy Bitcoin, there are ways to do it on DeFi. So you can do whatever you want to do. You are a free man, and don't let anybody tell you differently. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you can buy Bitcoin. If you want to sell Bitcoin, you can sell Bitcoin. And if you don't want to do anything But look at Bitcoin on the screen. You can buy an NFT of a Bitcoin, but it's up to you. Virginia. Oh, wow. Okay, that's good. That's good. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Virginia. AVAX is not, bro. AVAX is shit. I'm sorry to tell you. AVAX is third shit. AVAX is third shit. First shit, FTX token. Second shit, Solana. And third shit, AVAX. You're a big heaping pile of shit, steaming like that. That's what AVAX is, a steaming pile of shit like that. What do you think about ABT? I don't know what that is. XRP has NFTs and they're building out DeFi. Okay, cool. So my friend Chris Harris is saying that XRP has NFTs and they're building out DeFi. So that's good, but their DeFi is not built out as much as Algorand, and their DeFi is not built out as much as Hedera right now, as far as I understand. So if you take into account that, let's say they were built. Let's say they had a busted ecosystem for DeFi. Now, Ripple, Hedera, and Algorand can all do the same thing, more or less. Same transactions per second, same eco-friendly, same gas fees, same scalability. Let's say, because yes, one is better than the other in these categories, but let's say they're approximately even for whatever we need right now, transactions. Ripple is 5 times the market cap, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, Ripple is 6 times the market cap, 5 to 6 times the market cap of Hedera and Algorand combined. So why would I invest into XRP? If everything's equal, right? What I'm saying, it's all equal. Like FTX, Solana, and AVAX, they're all equally shit, right? How do I pick the number one shit? It's not possible. So you would then go by market cap. So if XRP and Hedera and Algorand are all equal for what needs to be done, transactions, how do you pick the best winner in the future? The person that has the company that has the least market cap, because they have the most room to grow. That's my theory. I have nothing wrong about Ripple. I think Ripple is great. Let me just make it very clear. I'm just saying that if everything is equal, Ripple's market cap is already 20 billion, while Hedera and Algorand is not. So if instead of spending $100 on Ripple, I rather do $50 on Hedera and $50 on Algorand, right? For example. And I'll probably make a shit ton more money in the future. Thank you so much, my friend. I appreciate you, Carlos. Thank you, Chris Harris. Thank you so much. Maytag, I love this channel. Everybody check out the Patreon for the most value. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We have weekly lives for the Patreon. We had one yesterday. Listen, right now is a really shitty time. Some people want to vent. It's not even about talking about finance. Like I realize that people want to vent and talk about life. People want people to hear you. You know, sometimes you can't talk to your family. Sometimes you can't talk to your friends. You just want to talk to random freaking people. It's the truth. You know what I'm talking about. We talk every week. Every week. Yesterday was the second week we had. I used to do it periodically. Now I'm doing weekly, no matter what. And yesterday we had 10 people on video. We talk in video, like through Zoom format. Join the Patreon if you guys like. And we have a chat room. And we do talk about finance, obviously. Futures and trading calls, contracts, and crypto and stocks and things like that. Please put links to all your channels in the description at the end of the live so we can sub. I only know Adam Bergman's Money Makers. Yeah, sure. I don't know if anybody is... So this is going to be, let me get the channels here. 1 second. The Adam Bergman Show, the Adam Bergman Show, So these are going to be my channels. Give me 1 second. So this is Adam Bergman Show. Money Makers. Money Makers. YouTube. Okay, this is going to be the second channel, Adam Bergman's Money Makers. This is going to be the third channel, the Berg YouTube. The Berg YouTube. The Berg YouTube. And I can't link the other one because I can't find it. Looks like BUSD has lost its peg. No, BUSD holds its peg. I just checked. I mean, maybe, let me see. No, the peg is there, $1. And the Tether peg is there too. Look. This is Tether, $1. This is USDT, $1. This is Binance, $1. You see USDT is fighting. $1 down, $1 up, $1 down, $1 up. This is okay. Yes, thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'm growing it. Big Bra, how will algo staking work when supply hits 10 billion? That's a great question. Thank you so much. That is a great question. Very, very good question. So I have a theory about that, and I made a video about it. So in order for Algorand to be able to sustain itself, we need to have approximately 10,000 transactions per second. Right now, we only have like 14. And the way we get to 10,000 transactions per second is we keep increasing the quantity of projects that are built, which is going to increase the quantity of transactions. If we can do, it's that the number is like 9,600. If we can make 9,600 transactions, that can pay for our governance rewards of 70,500,000. So yeah, if staking past 10 billion is going to be through gas fees, but since our gas fees are so cheap, we're going to need to have 10,000 transactions per second. Mexican Skull, got it. We've been in such a slump the whole year. I feel like the market is ready to blast. Yeah. Bro, I agree with you. I completely agree with you. How about FTT? Yeah, FTT is done, man. I mean, maybe it's going to make a comeback, but I don't know. That's a problem, bro. That's a problem. That is a problem. You bought on the hype. There's so many, like, okay, SHIB is, I can create SHIB in 5 minutes. SHIB was created in 5 minutes. Listen to what I just said. SHIB, 5 minutes. FTX token, FTT, 5 minutes. SafeMoon, 5 minutes. All these tokens, 5 minutes. I have a token on Algorand. My token is called Test Token. I was just doing it just to test it out. It took me 5 minutes. 5 minutes to create the token. It took me another 5 minutes to add liquidity and a pairing. I'm not going to tell you where because I don't want you guys buying it. I was doing it as a demo. 5 minutes. Tokens is not the same thing as a coin. A coin is the native currency of a blockchain. A token is a smart contract, no different than an NFT. It's just a smart contract. Very simple to make. I don't know anything about that, but that's definitely whack. I hold Affinity BSC. It's just Affinity now. And I have my reasons for holding Affinity. I know the team. I think they're one of the most reputable token teams there is. And I think you might be seeing Affinity on on another chain, maybe. Maybe they're working on getting on another chain. We'll see. We'll see. XRP2 hype I have, but say, yeah. Algo is the only way. I love Algo. And I have a very good place in my heart for Hedera too. So everyone asks me, Adam, what would you rather have, Hedera or Algorand? Algorand is my number one choice. I make this very, very clear. No disrespect to anybody. Algorand is my number one choice. And Hedera is my number two choice. I love both projects. So a lot of people ask me, Adam. I've been in Algorand for a while, and I love both projects. But yes, if I had to pick one, it's going to be Algorand over Hedera. I covered this in many videos. However, I really love Hedera. I love it so much that when I covered Hedera against Algorand, I said, you know what? I have to buy in this project because I like it so much. And the more research I did, the more I love it. So yeah. CPI data came in at 7.7%. You late, my friend. 7.7%, 7.9 was expected. We got a good report. We had an awesome Patreon members last night. Yes, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you guys showing out. What about CPI data? 7.7%. Cryptotherapy session. Yes, sir. True, that last 2 days were rough. Absolutely. These are my channels if anybody wants them. You can't compare an exchange to a blockchain, totally different things. You are only looking at upside. Algo and Hedera need adoption and exposure before the potential upside is even possible. You can't I missed the first part of this. You can't compare an exchange to a blockchain. Okay. Can you sell FTT or wait some more? Can I sell? I don't know where you're going to sell it. Binance, I don't know if Binance even allows it anymore, and FTX doesn't allow it. I don't know where you're going to sell it. Here, I'll show you guys. I don't know where you're going to sell FTX token. I don't know. This is it right here. I don't even know where the volume is. Hold on, let's check where the markets is. So yeah, 70% of the volume, or 70-something% of the volume of FTX token is on Binance. So, and now there's these two little stars here. What does that mean? The stars mean you can't trade it? I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. If you can get rid of, if you can trade it, go for it. Adam, thanks for the great show. Good to see you laugh and partying again. You're really sympathetic. You're keep up the. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Thank you, bro. Thank you very much. He just shakes his head. He just shakes his head. Guys, I'm reading the comments late, and I'm trying to remember what I did. Cheeps, what's up, my brother? So the CPI came in at 7.7%, which is 2%, 0.2% better than expected. We did good. Fuel costs went up like a mofo, and everything else started going down. Half of the CPI is due to real estate, and real estate is starting to come down. It's something controlled. I think we're good. Also, the CME watch for the federal CME watch went up to 80%. So here, I'll share it to you guys. Guys, this is the CME Fed watch. This is what Wall Street believes the bet is going to be. You see, when I first started reporting, this was 80%. Now it's 85%. The bet is 85% chance that it's 50 basis points and 14% chance that it's 75 basis points. Cheeps, we might have our pivot. We might just have our pivot. I know it's too early to tell, but this is a good news. I read on the website that algo governance will move algo from fund to fund. I don't know about that. Affinity. Yep, Affinity. I own Affinity. Won't that count for TPS? I don't know. I don't know exactly. I'm sorry. Adam, question. Your thoughts on owning? So I'm not sure about what's happening there, and I don't want to speculate because I really highly respect Anthony Scaramucci, and I don't want to say anything that's wrong, specifically with his name in it. So I'm not going to comment on that. Plus, I don't know. I know he was on CNBC Squawk Box earlier today answering questions. I did not read that yet. I did not listen to that yet, and I will. But I can tell you that in theory, it should not affect Algorand because the fund has the Algorand. That makes sense. It's not like they're going to buy based on Sam Bankman-Fried. We'll see what's going to happen. But yes, I refrain from commenting. I think he's saying you got to take first mover advantage into account. You got to take first mover into account for XRP. Again, all right, look, check this out. Bitcoin was first mover advantage, and Ethereum took their cookies. They caught up like crazy. Now, Ethereum had first mover advantage for smart contracts, but BNB took their cookies. So although Ethereum is by far more valuable than BNB, they caught up. So the question is, if you invested $100 into BNB or you invested $100 into Ethereum 3 years ago, what gave you the best returns? Yes, Ethereum is still ahead, but what gave you more returns? Same thing that I'm saying here. Yes, in 3 years from now, maybe Ripple is going to be worth 100 billion. Let's just say, for example, 5x. But in 3 years from now, let's say Hedera is worth 20 billion and Algorand is worth 25 billion, 30 billion. I don't know, whatever. It doesn't make a difference. Yes, Ripple is worth more, but Hedera and Algorand caught up more. So your value of your investment is stronger with Algorand and Hedera over Ripple. Does that make sense? John, what's up, my friend? Good to see you, Crypto Grandpa. Yo, John bought the awesome hoodie, Crypto Grandpa. He bought one of my hoodies. It was dope. Shout out to the new member, Ron. Ron, thank you so much for the new membership. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, Ron. I appreciate you. Can I say one thing? I appreciate all memberships, but honestly, $5 on Patreon is better than the membership for the channel membership, if you guys want. Patreon, you get a live streams. Patreon, you get the Telegram group. Patreon, you get early access to videos, things like that. So I appreciate any support. But if you guys are thinking about something, the Patreon is better because there's so much more. You get so much more bang for your buck. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Oh, Cheaps, it's your birthday today. It's not every day you turn 25 years old, you handsome son of a gun. Let's sing Cheaps a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cheaps. Happy birthday to you. Shout out to my man Cheaps. I appreciate you. Happy birthday to you. You don't get a song because you're not part of the Patreon. Cheaps, happy birthday to you. How can we access our Affinity since they are off SafeMoon? They are. Yeah, no problem. I can make you guys a video. You access your. So first of all, F the SafeMoon exchange. It's so whack. And the fees were so out of whack. All you got to do is you go on literally the Affinity website and you use Affinity Adapt. So easy. Look. Okay, look. This is Affinity Adapt. All you're going to do is connect your wallet like you do with the wallets. Over here, you're just going to send your tokens. You can do a swap. There's also a swapper, which is this right here. If you click on the swapper, you select from your token, right? I'm not connected, so you're not going to see it. Oh, you could right here. So you can connect from, you click a token. So let's say you're going to click Affinity, and this would go here. And then you go to, and then you swap here. And pretty much every single token that you see on SafeMoon, Affinity Adapt has better. Affinity Adapt is the shit. Shout out to you, man. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Yo, what's up, my man? Dream Life Dividends. What's up? Shout out to you. Thank you so much. Palantir is up. The whole market is up. The whole market is up, guys. John, thank you so much. Thank you very, very much, guys. Thank you so much. Guys, I'm not trying to shill the Patreon, but honestly, if you just want to talk, if you want to vent, if you want people to listen, if you want to talk finances, if you want to talk fishing, if you want to talk playing cards, if you want to talk real estate, if you want to talk crypto, if you want to talk stocks, if you want to just talk about anything you want, We have weekly lives. Just shoot the shit and vent. It's fun. The lives are like this, video. It's not, I'm sorry, it's not like this. It's not like this type of chat. It's an actual video chat, like a Zoom. Join the Patreon, guys. $5 a month. Weekly lives. We have a chat room in the Telegram. It's growing. When I make my NFT project, when I make my token project, I'm going to be giving it for free to Patreon members. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I am going to be making a demo. And if I'm going to make a demo, I might as well give people free shit. Yep. It didn't depeg. I don't know. People keep saying that. I don't know why people keep saying that. I don't know. Like, people keep saying that shit. It's like very close to a peg. I don't know. Like, people keep saying that. I think people are just regurgitating what people are saying. USDT is 0.9999. This is close enough. As long as it stays 0.99 and something here, it's okay. 0.9959 is good. 0.9999 is good. 0.9998 is good. 1 is better, but this is not a depeg. This is okay. It's close enough. Now, it did depeg for a moment, but then it came back. And then if you look at Tron token, where is it? No, this is not the USDT. US Tron, US Tron stablecoin. What is it? Tron stablecoin? Tron. What's the Tron stablecoin? I don't know what the Tron stablecoin is. Whatever. What about Shiba Inu? There's nothing special about it. It doesn't do anything. It's straight up meme. Good for them. I'm happy they're doing good, but they don't do nothing. They're a token. 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes. It takes you 5 minutes to create a token. Listen to what I just said. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes to create a token. 5. You create a token. You create a website. You create a roadmap. You create a white paper. You then take your tokens. You set it up through a third party. Yo, guys, I'm going to get out of here. I'll talk to you later. I'll talk to you guys later. Change battery. Yeah, I'm done, guys. I'm going to make some videos. I got a bunch of things to do. I'll see you guys later. Shout out. Take care, guys.